Hey, how's it going, guys? Dallas here with Integral Truck, and for today's video, we're going to be showing you how to remove our 2019 GM 1500 Integral Rail System Kit right here. This Integral Rail System Kit is mounted on a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 short bed. And this Integral Rail System Kit that you see right here is specifically made for the GM models, which is the Chevy and GMC Silverado and Sierra 1500 short beds. We get tons of questions asking, what if I buy a new truck and I have my rail system kit on, how do I remove them? Or I just got a new truck and I want to transfer my rail system kit to my new GM, how do I do it as well? So really the question is that we get asked a lot is, how do I remove my integral rail system kit here on my GM 1500? And it's honestly really simple. All right, so let's dive right in. The tools you're going to be needing is pretty much just a 3/16 Allen key or Allen wrench. And we're going to be removing 3 toggle bolts shown right here. So 1, 2, and 3. And if you have your cleats, make sure you want to have them right in the center, or you can take them off just so that you have easy access to your 3 mounting points. All right, so let's get started. To completely remove your rail, you have to make sure that you have your bolts completely out of its mounting points. As you see, we have 1 completely removed right here, and we have 2 more to go. All right, we finally got our 3rd bolt completely loose and now removed. We're going to go ahead and remove our rail, set it aside, move the extra pieces, and it's okay that it is obviously deassembled because we can always put them back together. Let's just say that you're removing your toggle bolts and it falls in the back. It's okay. Let's go ahead and drop it. Since we are on the wheel well, it's going to sit on the wheel well on the inside. Let's go ahead and push it. And you heard that? It just dropped right to the floor. And here it is, nicely safe and recovered. It was just under the pickup. So that is one way of removing your toggle bolt. And here's the second way. You can pretty much jimmy it along and it'll fold back. Boom, there you go. Now you got the second one taken out. And here is the third and final possible way to remove your toggle bolt. You've seen the first one, you've seen the second way, and here's the third way to remove it. If you're able to squeeze your fingers in there, kind of move that toggle bolt up. And this is probably the trickiest way to do it. And there you go, you slide it right out. So those are 3 ways on how to remove your toggle bolts, and that's pretty much it. And if you have those caps placed back on your bedside of your pickup, you can do so as well. All right, so you just removed your integral rail system kit here on your Chevy or GMC 1500 pickup. And now you have your truck back to OEM stock. You also just learned 3 possible ways or outcomes on how to remove your 3 toggle bolts that was mounted onto your integral rail system kit. Now that you have your integral rail system kit removed from your truck and now it's back to stock OEM, it's sad to see you go, but we definitely appreciate your guys' support. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to visit our website, integraltruck.com. And we'll see you guys later.